Welcome to my new series of lectures focusing on human sexuality. So many of you have contacted me asking for more lectures on human sexuality and love and desire. Okay, I'm listening. This new series is all about love and human sexuality. And I mean everything sex. Seriously, come on. Some content may get highly controversial, but hey, my lectures are research-based, analyzed using multiple psychological perspectives, with college-level critical thinking explanations using meta-analysis in a way that all students can understand, okay? So I'm open to additional lecture title suggestions. So if you have a topic in mind, just go ahead and send me your request. But over the next few weeks, we'll be learning all about sexuality in perspective, theoretical perspectives on sexuality, a lot about sex research and how we come about with the conclusions about sex that we currently have in textbooks. Also about the human anatomy and sexual arousal, sexuality and the life cycle, attraction. Why are we physically attracted to some people and totally disgusted by others? Intimacy and self-disclosure. Theories of love. My favorite thing to talk about is the different theories of love, to include Sternberg's triangular theory of love and also different attachment theories. Research on love and how we measure love. Communication styles in relationships and how we could actually have a better relationship, learning about different communication styles. Relationship education, gender and sexuality, sexual orientation, and there's different variations, gay, straight, bi, trans, and many others that we will be discussing. Life experiences in the gay community, sexual orientation in multicultural perspectives, and hypersexuality versus asexuality. There's so much for us to talk about. I'm sure you will enjoy my new series of lectures focusing on human sexuality.